Ew, I just finished that Diet Pop. Wow. Oh, how do people drink that stuff? I just don't know. But anyways, I'm going to do some ands with you just to kind of wake up your brains, hopefully. So again, you might want to draw 3 graphs. Here's greater than 4. Whoops. Oops, I have a little trouble here. There we go. So here's 4. Whee. Okay, here's less than 8. Whee. Now, if this was an OR, it's not, it's an AND, but if it was an OR, the answer would be all reals because everything is shaded. This is shaded. Hey, now we got shading up here all the way across. But an AND, it's where the shading overlaps. Where is there shading on both? And if you see it, the shading on both is right here. Because this isn't shaded, this isn't shaded. So the answer would be everything between 4 and 8. Now this one, here's greater than 4. Whee! Here's greater than 8. Whee! Now the answer is, where's there shading on both? There's not shading here, my students. There's shading here. So where is it on both? Right in this section here. Now, with the AND, it's always the shorter one when it's going in the same direction. With an OR, it's the longer one. So this one, here's less than 4. Whee! Here's greater than 8. Whee! Okay, where's their overlappage? Where's there's answers for both? Well, sad to say, there is no overlappage. Because here's shading here, but none there. Here's there, but none here. So the answer would be no reals and just a blank number line. Now this one, it has to be an AND because the word AND's not shown, and it's the only one that will. OR always has to have the word OR. So I'm going to solve this. I'm going to subtract 6 to get the 2x by itself. So I have 4 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than or equal to 14. Then I'm going to divide everything by dose, or 2 if you're not as sophisticated. So it's everything between 2 and 7. So that's an easy one to graph. Put the smallest number, put the largest number. Now there's an equals, so it's solid dots, and then everything in between. Then the last one. Now if you want to do this on your own and then watch me, that's okay. But I'm going to go ahead and do it. That'd be 6x minus 12. Distribute the minus 3, so it's minus 3x plus 12, minus some minus is a plus, is greater than 18. So 6x minus 3x is 3x. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So this problem really simplifies fast. So divide both sides by 3. X is greater than 6. This one, multiply both sides by negative 2. Dividing by 2, multiply it. But wait a minute, Mr. Murphy, you're multiplying both sides by a negative, so you must either multiply, you've got to switch the inequalities, what I'm trying to say, but I'm not saying it so well. So I got the numbers greater than 6 and the numbers less than negative 4. 40, excuse me. So here's greater than 6. Whee! Here's less than negative 40. Whee! Now, where is their overlappage? What's true for both is the question. Nothing. There's no shading here, but there is here. There's no shading here, but there is here. There's nothing that overlaps. So again, it's no reals. No reals. No reals. Now, I did these kind of short videos. I didn't want to make real long ones, but I hope that helps you out a little bit tomorrow. Now, there will be some questions about lines, so look at last week's test, and then we'll have many questions on ands and ors, some inequalities, and we'll go from there. So here you go. Have fun.